If your Sunbeam heated blanket isn't working, don't panic. Most issues can be fixed with a few careful checks. Start by confirming it's plugged directly into a working wall outlet. Avoid extension cords, as they can interfere with proper power delivery. Next, check that the controller is firmly connected to the blanket. A loose connection is one of the most common causes of failure. Gently wipe the connector pins with a dry cloth to remove dust or debris that may block electrical contact. If your blanket displays an error code, that's actually helpful. An F usually points to a controller issue, while E often signals a loose power connection. P can mean the blanket went into protection mode, often caused by folding or pressure on the wires. Codes like F1 or F2 typically relate to poor cord connections. In many cases, a simple reset solves the problem. Unplug the blanket for 20 to 30 minutes, then plug it back in and test again. If it still doesn't heat, unplug it and inspect the fabric and cord for frays, burns, or worn spots. Lay the blanket flat when testing. Never bunch it up or place heavy objects on it. For dual control models, confirm each side is securely connected.